Tired of all your computer troubleshooting and bugs but get ripped off by dishonest and untrustworthy computer techs? Have you ever wanted to learn to fix all your computer problems on your own like a pro? Have it your way and stop paying $300 to $400 for computer repairs. With this computer repair manual and business guide ebook, you will be equipped with the right software, the right hardware, and skills to start fixing computers. Yes, it is easy and you can do it yourself. Learn a new skill and be your own boss in this economic recession. Fix computers for extra cash or as primary source of income. Start making money by fixing computers. Just visit www.antax.ml/products for more details. And don't forget to add it to your cart.